and welcome back to Where Wendy Travels, Where Wendy Creates. Today, I am very excited. I went to the simplest of places. Who doesn't have one of these? Dollar Tree. Well, as we all know, Dollar Tree is no longer Dollar Tree per se, because everything at Dollar Tree is either $1.25 or I believe it's $3 or $5. I have seen items in there for $10, but I didn't see any this time. So this time I went, seems like everything was either $1.25, $3 or $5. When they first made the changeover, I was a little bit upset, but now they have so many more things than they had before that I'm actually very excited to bring you this Dollar Tree haul. Whoa! Crowd goes wild. Ah! So, what does a quilter or a sewer like better than fat quarters? And you know what? I'm kind of picky about the fat quarters I get because I don't like thin material. But I pulled this open just enough to stick my fingers on the inside of this. And this is actually decent fabric. And we're doing some baby quilts, and I really love a pop. So I got some very bright colors. Now these are 5 fat quarters for $5. Now you and I both know that over the last couple of years, they blamed it on COVID, and now, well, it's just the cost of things have gone up. Fat quarters are easily running $2.50 to $3.50, depending upon where you go. If you're going to go to a quilt fabric store, or if you're going to go to a Walmart, a Joann's, or Michael's, something like that. So seeing this and feeling this, you got to feel it now, because you only want high quality stuff that's not going to rip apart, fall apart when you're making stuff. But this says it is just $5 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fat quarters. So that really is a nice bargain. Full price, perfect bargain. Now, you know that I am doing some baby quilts on my other channel, Where Wendy Creates. So I picked up some of these $5 bundles. Again, high quality, feels really good. And us people who love to craft and play with fabric, we love to touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fat quarters for $5. Now, 5 years ago, I would not say this was a good price. I would say this is the average price. We all know fabric has gone up, and look at these adorable colors. These are going to go in my baby quilt coming up. So you're going to see these again. So I went ahead and got a bunch of these just because I'm going to immediately start creating, and you're going to be with me and having so much fun. My junk journals. I love keys. Look at these 3D raised stickers, $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. They have all new stickers than what they used to have. They have all new art supplies. It's amazing. But look at these locks and keys. So these are going to be real fun to use in some of my junk journals. Who doesn't need nail files? We all have nails. We need our nails filed. 3 packs for $1.25. Now, often you'll find the 1 or the twosies. Not too often you find the 3 packs. So if you don't have an extra pack of that, pick yourself up one. Make a special trip into the Dollar Tree and take advantage of those. Halloween. Not everyone celebrates Halloween, but these are little books. 8 notebooks, 8 cute little notebooks that I can use in my junk journals. I can decoupage on top of. I don't have to keep their design, although I love Halloween. Not for the spooks of it all, but just for the mysticism, the fun, the fantasy of it all. And these are just blank little notebooks. They're absolutely the perfect size to stick in a junk journal pocket, to put in your purse and you have. So these are 8 books for just $1.25. That I thought was a really nice buy. And if you have trick-or-treaters come to the door, these are a great little thing to add in other than candy, okay? Candy gum, we all love it, but these books are going to be treasured for a lot longer than that piece of candy. So consider giving a couple of pieces of candy and a book or 2 at the same time. Ah! Cutie, cutie. Who doesn't search for an ink pen in their purse? $1.25 for 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 pens. I haven't written with them yet, but we're going to open those up and take a look. They are small enough to put in a junk journal, a wallet, a change purse. They are perfect size. So if these puppies right, I'm going to go back and get another pack, and maybe every season they might have a different kind. So $1.25 at Dollar Tree, must have, because we all need those. Okay, hair tie. Look at this. I have been going outside, working in the garden, working in the yard, working around the neighborhood. We all need hair ties, but these are also great in my fabric projects. You probably saw me put a few of these into my latest activity mat. It's a fidget quilt. You can sew down some of these, and they're just fun to play with. Gives your fingers something to do, something to twirl around, something to play with. Hair ties. And I could not believe this. Look at that. 100 pieces for $1.25. 100 pieces. Now, if you want the thicker ones, they have the 36 pack and the 30 pack. Very pretty. But for me, I don't wear them all that often, but I use them on activity mats all the times. These are great for all your crafting needs. Throw some beads on those, make some different projects. We're going to make some coming up very soon. So I got those. All right. Who couldn't go for the animal look? I know. They're all black and white, but if I make a little throw blanket animal quilt, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fat quarters for, look at that, $5. Joann Fabrics now sells them for like $2.50 a fat quarter. So they have a sale on. They're like $1.49. Take advantage of that, please, please, please. But right now, I felt these. This is actually decent quality fabric. Now I'm going to take them apart and play with them. But I'm very impressed with that. So we got one of those. And I could not help myself, but I want to work on making faces, to work on making people, to work on making eyes. And I saw these, I could not believe this, 24 Crayola crayons for $1.25. And look at that, I've not seen these in stores. They come in the medium almond, the medium deep rose, light medium almond. These are all skin tones, I'm so excited. So we're going to play with those coming up as well and see if we can't make some faces, some skin tone people in our junk journals, just really get into that. And by the way, they're such neutral, beautiful colors. I just had to show you. So take a look at these, and this is amazing. Look at that next to my skin tone. Beat that, huh? Awesome. Yay. Well, thanks for joining me. I'm so excited about my loot. I hope you've enjoyed my little trip to Dollar Tree, and that you too will take advantage of your Dollar Tree again and show me what beautiful stickers and fabrics and other items that you have found that you're going to be crafting with. Have a great day, my friends.